Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll be using a TheraBand to show you a few simple core strengthening exercises that are essential to help us keep postural uprightness and support us in good posture throughout the day. Let's start by sitting up very straight here. You can bend your knees or you can keep it as straight as possible. Have the TheraBand wrapped around your feet here. And from here, you're going to pull the TheraBand towards you. Keep your arms straight, flex your feet, looking straight ahead. Scoop the belly in and spend a few moments here to connect to your core. Take an inhalation, and when you're ready, start to roll down your pelvis, one vertebra at a time, looking in front. We're not going too low here. The important thing to do is to scoop the belly in and roll the abdominals a little bit so that we start to connect to our deep core muscles. Take an inhalation, exhale and roll down. See if you can roll down a little bit deeper this time. Start to have your lower back reaching towards the floor. Exhalation is important as you roll down, just to make sure that we will keep the belly scooped in. Try not to puff it, and see if you can lengthen your legs a little bit more to the front and slowly bringing them up to your eye level only, not too much, and slowly bring it up and down, moving in slow, small range. We will really be challenging our core connection here if we move slowly, because that's the only way to connect to our deep core muscles. Roll down all the way now, because we're going to do the long abdominal roll here. Curl forward and pulling the TheraBand towards the back. And roll down again all the way. Keep tension in the TheraBand. As you roll up, you pull it even more here, bending your elbows, reaching down towards your knees. Always have a feeling of pushing your feet against the bend, because we need two oppositions working. Feet to the front as you roll down. Repeat these for as often as you like. And that is all I have for this time for the few simple core exercises. Do like and subscribe. Keep moving, keep getting better. And I'll see you very soon in the next video.